welcome to my space. Here's my space. It's a 40-foot Bluebird All-American rear-engine bus, and now I need to decide where everything is going to go. So if you're like me, you've already picked out the size bus that you want. I wanted, the biggest one that I could get because I plan to be in it most of the time. And I'm by myself, but I will have guests from time to time. And so with that in mind, I'd like to have a second bedroom. My son, family members, friends, occasionally will come with me, and I wanted to have a second bedroom, but I don't want to dedicate the space for a second bedroom and then have that being wasted, 90% of the time when I'm on the road by myself. So I'm going to have a area that converts into a bedroom, and it'll have walls that will be removable, probably panels, and they may be screwed into place, they may be Velcroed in place, they may snap into place, but it will actually have privacy and be a contained room. And then when there's nobody with me, the wall panels will come down and it'll be a sofa. So that's one idea of things that you need to take into consideration. So what I have here is, I looked at all of the different things that I want to put into the bus. For example, a refrigerator. And, what are the dimensions? How much space am I going to need? A big refrigerator, a small refrigerator. I'm kind of a prepper, so I have a big supply of canned and like non-perishable foods, and I need a nice pantry area. So I've dedicated space for that. As you can see, I have done a lot of drawing on the roof of my bus, and that is quite fine because all of this is going to be gone and there will be a different ceiling there. But right now, this is giving me a real good idea. I use my tape measure and I mark everything where I want it to go. And you'll notice that there are things written in black and things written in red. Well, what happened is my plan has changed several times, and I used black on several different versions, and I would scratch everything out. And finally, everything in red is the latest version. That's red. I don't know if you can see it very well. And the stuff that's in black is not necessarily the way things are going to be now. So I have, here will be microwave, range top oven, and I don't really do a lot of cooking in an oven, so I have a big toaster oven that'll be on the very bottom. And then at this level here will be, like probably a 3-burner range top. And then up here will be a microwave. Here will be, at some point, I'll be putting a stove in. Not really sure when that will happen, but this will be the space reserved for that. Over here will be a chest freezer, and I already know the dimensions. So if you look at all the things that you want to put in your bus and you measure them, and that way you can measure the space and see if it will actually fit where where you would like it to go. So in this case here, this will be where my chest freezer will go.